Hi guys, it's Ron. Today I want to show you how to make or take a screenshot in Windows 10 and Windows 11. So here we have Yahoo Finance up. So let's go down to the search, type in snip, S-N-I, let's type in the whole thing, and I'll bring up the snipping tool. Click on that. And you have two options. You can take images or take video. For this, we're just going to take a video, an image of this worker's unemployment rate. And that was really click new. Let's highlight this. And there's our image. You can dress this up a bit. You have a pen tool here if you want to, say, take circle this guy for employee of the month or whatever. Here we have a highlight tool. If you hold down on it, it'll bring up a menu, and you can select the size of your highlight. So you can highlight just say you want to just highlight this. And you can just do that. When you're finished, say you want to upload this to your favorite site, just go into save. Now, save the picture, give it a name. It saves as a PNG, and then go there and do your site, upload it to your site, or just copy and paste it to your site, and you're in business. That's Windows 10. Okay, that's just the basics of taking a screenshot using the snipping tool. Now there is another tool made by TechSmith, that's called Snagit. And I'm using Snagit right now. I'll fire it up using the print screen. Here's my hotkey. And just say you want to take you can take an image, but we're also going to take a movie too. And I want to show you what these do here. I won't do the image because we covered that in the snipping tool. But I'm going to do a movie and show you what you can do with Snagit. So click on movie. Check over all your settings here. Everything's fine. And say you're talking, you want to watch a video, what's going on here, or you want to highlight text and talk about this, just narrate this, and or whatever you're doing. When you're finished, click start. We'll bring you up to the editor, and here's all your previous captures. It keeps all your captures, so you have to go back. Your capture, you can go back and say when you upload this to a site, you can upload to a site. But we're working on this one right now here, and I'm going to create an animated GIF. So click this. So right there, we're going to stop it right here. Look out. And again. Cut this out. See you can GIF. And GIF. There's your animated GIF now. Now you can, all you have to do is, you can save this, save it, save as, give it a file name, and upload that to your favorite site, and it will be an animated GIF. There's so much you can do with this program, it's unbelievable. I use this program every single day. It's well worth the money. I'll put links to where you can get this down below. I'm just scratching the surface with this program, guys. It's like, it's like buying a house, and you're checking out the bathroom, and saying, yeah, it's a nice house, but you haven't checked out the rest of the house. This program, trust me, it's awesome program. If you found this video helpful in any way, please give a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching. Thanks, patrons, and a special shout out to Ron's best friends, Benjamin R. Price, and Jeremy Charles Prale. You can be here too. link below.